Today we're going to learn how to log in for the teacher for the first time. In your existing Gmail account, just click that. Now you have to click add another account. This is for the first time. When you click on add another account, it will ask for your ID. Now this ID will be provided your administrator. So I will be typing here. This is the dummy teacher ID. And at the rate after that domain will come of your school. Now you have to press next button. When you press next button, it will ask for your default password. The default password will be provided by your school, by the administrator. You can also see this one. This is the default password. When you click on this, then you have to click accept button. After that, it will ask for your change your password. So you have to write your change password here. You have to click on change password. Now you have logged into your G Suite account. Now after login, you have to press classroom.google.com. In your browser, you have to type classroom.google.com. Previously you are having many Google account. You have to change as per your new ID. I have putting dummy teacher. Now your classroom is ready for the teachers. It will again ask for dummy teacher. You have to press continue. Now your class is ready. Now you can see the plus button on the top corner. With this help, you can create your class. I am clicking on this. Then after that, you have to click. Now we have to when you have to create the class, you have to enter the details. This is the class you are taking. 11th A sample I am putting here. Which subject the class is there? Suppose maths is there, you have to enter here. In section, you have to put teacher name. You can change according to your need. In bracket, I am putting the timetable here. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Suppose I am taking 9:32 to 10:30. You can put here brackets. And subject and room should be kept blank. Now if there is a more than timetable, different timetables are there, you can separate here by comma. Different time, Monday different timetable, Tuesday different timetables. Now you can change according to your need. Up to this one. When you entered the details, now you have to click create button for creating your class. When you are creating the class, just wait for a few seconds, then your new class will be created. Now you can check your new class is ready. Class, your name, timetable is displayed. Now this is the class code you have to give to the students so that they can join your class. some settings are there. I will show you. In this ID, you can see in the people we have gone to teachers. Now you have to add here your principal or vice principal, and with this you can add your students. So the people consist of two sections, teachers and students. In teacher we are adding the principal or vice principal, and yourself you will be there, and the students you are adding the students. After that you have to click the setting. Now you have to check settings in your class details. You have to put in your class details you have to put that a class name and subject. In section you have to put the name of the teacher first, and the timetable Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and 9:30 to 10:30 is your timetable. You have to put the timetable accordingly. After that, go downward side. There are many controls for this, for the teachers. In this it is very important, only teachers can post comment. Suppose a condition has come when the students are posting messages or comments, and you can control by clicking this button. But student, if you want, a student can post message, you click this one. Okay, for every action on the top side, where whatever changes we are doing, we have to save, otherwise the changes will not reflect. And the most important thing, for the first time when your class is created, then you have to create a generate meeting link. Without this link, the student will not able to see your meeting link. So you have to click this one, generate meeting link. It is only the one time procedure, no need to repeat again. When it is generated, the message will be displayed, visible to students. Okay, it means this sign shows this link is visible to all the students when they are joining your classes. Okay, it should not be off, it should always be on. Now after that, the link is generated. Now you have to press save button on the top side. Now we are saving. Now the setting has been changed, everything is changed. You can check the teacher. This is class name 11th A, math subject teacher. This is the teacher name, timetable has come. This is very important. When the students see your class, it should be visible to the students that on which day your class is and what time it is there. So it is all the information is there on one page. Now the next is class code. That is very, very important. Class code. Now this code you have to distribute to students. With this code they will going to join. I have made a separate video for that, for how to join by the class code by the students. So separately you have to give to the students. And now this is the meeting link where you have to join. Because I am creating the class with the help of classroom browser. So first, foremost thing, you have to make ensure that in Google Meet your ID should be there. That is a dummy teacher ID is there. Now we have to click add another account. Your ID should be available here, otherwise it will not allow. Now you have to press your ID. teach@kvofa.in. You have to press next. If ID is wrong, it will display the error message. Make ensure that in Google Meet you are login with the same ID you are logged in the classroom. Otherwise you will not able to
take the classes. You have to press I agree button. Same way you have to also tell the students. Now again we'll going to click the Google Meet. Now you can check. Your ID has that is has come. In the bottom side you can see this one, dummy teach @kv.ofa.in. I am clicking this one. Now you can see on the top side that dummy teach has come. This should be there, otherwise he will not be generate the class. Again to our Google Meet classroom. Now I will click this link for taking the class. You have to select the option. You have to select Google Meet. Now you have to select the ID. Here it is the demo ID, dummy teach. I will click here. This is the teacher part. Just wait for a few seconds. It will go to the Google Meet. See that in the bottom you can see your ID has come, dummy teach @kvofa.in. Now you have to click join for joining your classes. Now your class has been started. In the same way the student will going to join you. Thank you.